You know, as parents, everybody's always looking for advice. We're reading books, we're asking people, we're looking at videos, and we never know what's really the right thing to do with our children. And you know what? There never is one right formula. We need to adapt our parenting styles in the context of every child. And today I'm going to discuss something related to expectations, and let's explore what Bruno Bettelheim also says about this. But I'm going to talk about it in the context of Indian parenting. Hello, namaste, and welcome to Desi Parenting 2.0. Today we're going to talk about something that a lot of Indian parents suffer from, and this disease which is called expectations. There's a lot of pressure that is created by expectations in most of the parents that I encounter. As a result of these expectations, children begin to suffer from immense pressure, and then they begin to have conflicts with their parents. So one of the primary concerns of most Indian parents is पढ़ाई. पढ़ाई में अच्छा हो और बाद में जाके कुछ अच्छा सा profession हो, which is very much related to parents' expectations. And when I meet parents, they'll tell me नहीं हमारी कोई expectation नहीं है. हमने तो बच्चे को बिल्कुल free में छोड़ा है. बच्चे को जो भी करना वही करें. लेकिन डिनर टेबल पे जब बात होती है, अरे तुम्हें पता है तुम्हारे पापा ने कितना अच्छा काम किया था, तुम्हें पता है तुम्हारे ग्रैंडफादर कितना अच्छा काम करते थे, अरे ग्रेट साइंटिस्ट, इज अ ग्रेट बिजनेसमैन, एंड ऑल दीज थिंग्स कीप कमिंग इन सर्टन वेज टू द चाइल्ड, वेयर द चाइल्ड इज टोल्ड कि तुम भी तुम्हारे पापा जैसे बनो या तुम भी तुम्हारे ग्रैंडफादर जैसे बनो और अंकल और हुएवर इट इज. सो देयर इज दिस होल pressure that begins to build up on the child, where the child is expected to follow that same line of profession that somebody in the family has been doing. So I would like to talk about a very concrete example. और ये जो example मैंने लिया है very strangely मेरी life में भी काफ़ी बारी मैंने देखा है school में as a teacher, and I have also come across the same example in a book that I am reading currently, which is this one. It's called A Good Enough Parent, and is written by this psychologist called Bruno Bettelheim. इस story में, this is young boy, and when he is young, the parents always believe कि भी ये father की तरह अच्छा सा scientist बनेगा. The father is a scientist. And बच्चे में काफ़ी बचपन है, बच्चा बहुत खेलता है, and father is okay with it. चलो अभी छोटा है. But as the child grows older and the child enters the teenage years, the father begins to now get worried and concerned. और ये जो concern और worry है, ये थोड़ा थोड़ा trickle होने लग जाता है into the child's consciousness also. The child begins to feel it, you know, that father is a little giving some pressure. And after some point in time, the father begins to actually have a doubt कि बच्चा कुछ कर भी पाएगा कि नहीं. And the moment this doubt enters, the child's behavior begins to change. And this is an unconscious process, right? Parent is not thinking consciously. बट माइंड में तो डाउट है और बच्चे के एंटेनास तो बहुत शार्प होते हैं, बच्चे को पता चल गया. सो नाउ व्हाट्स द चाइल्ड डूइंग? चाइल्ड हैज़ नाउ लॉस्ट इंटरेस्ट इन स्टडीज़ बिकॉज द चाइल्ड इज़ फियरफुल ऑफ फेलियर. बच्चे को पता है कि मैं पापा जैसे इतना बड़ा साइंटिस्ट बन पाऊंगा कि नहीं. चाइल्ड हैज़ अ डाउट ऑल्सो नाउ बिकॉज अ पेरेंट हैज़ अ डाउट ऑन द चाइल्ड. सो चाइल्ड ऑल्सो हैज़ अ डाउट, एंड द चाइल्ड डज नॉट वॉन्ट टू एंटर इन टू कॉम्पिटिशन with an unequal partner. How do I become like my father? My father is great. He's wonderful in what he does. मैं कैसे बन पाऊँगा? And if I don't become as great as my father, then my father will get upset, and I will not be able to match those expectations. So now the child has lost interest in studies, is fearful, but at the same time the child is now beginning to excel in sports. बच्चे को sports में इतना interest क्यों है? क्योंकि sports में पापा का बिल्कुल interest नहीं है. This is one area where I can bindas do whatever I want to do. मज़ा आएगा. And child has, उसके ऊपर कोई pressure भी नहीं है, कोई expectation ही नहीं है. So here the child is doing well. The child is letting out all his creative energies. Now father gets more worried कि ये तो sports ही खेले जा रहा है. Life का क्या होगा? How is the child going to do better? Now the father begins to criticize. Comments में आ जाते हैं, ताने मिलते हैं बच्चे को. So now the child becomes either defiant, rebellious, or the child may go into a withdrawal mode. बात ही नहीं करेंगे, अपनी दुनिया में है, दरवाज़ा बंद कर लिया. Now of course situation becomes so severe that there's a breakdown of communication between the father and the child. Now what does the father do? Finally the father decides, I will go to a therapist. Father is hoping कि मुझे कुछ simple advice मिलेगी therapist से जो मैं 3 easy steps में मेरे बच्चे को ठीक कर दूंगा. Goes to the therapist and what happens? The therapist asks the father, what were you as a child? तुम्हारा relationship तुम्हारे father के साथ कैसा था? And there the father realizes that actually my father was a businessman and he expected me to follow his footsteps, which I didn't. I charted my own path. I became a scientist. And he rebelled and the father was not happy. But over the years, the father reconciled and then even became proud of the son. And the same pattern now this father is following with his own son. So when this father became aware of his own parenting style and pattern, which was unconscious, he realizes that he has to change his behavior. And he goes back to the son and now he shows more empathy and more support towards the child's struggle. Ultimately, what's really important in adolescence is that the child is struggling to come into his or her own identity. और ये identity issue कैसे बनता है? I need to be good in something that I do on my own and where there are no expectations, where I can be free to fail or succeed. And in that sense, a boy took up sports. So now the father realizes this and encourages the child and the relationship becomes much better. Will the child become a great sportsman or a scientist? We don't know. Each child is coming with his own unique identity. Each child has her own destiny to fulfill. By destiny, I mean a unique blueprint which the child has in his or her own personality. So what as a parent we need to do is first of all remove this pressure of expectations. और हमारी इंडियन सोसाइटी में एक और लेयर है एक्सपेक्टेशंस के अलावा. पेरेंटल एक्सपेक्टेशन नहीं है, सोसाइटल एक्सपेक्टेशन भी है. उसके साथ साथ एक और फॉर्मूला आ जाता है, लोग क्या कहेंगे, और उसका एक और प्रेशर बन जाता है, नहीं तुम ये नहीं करोगे तो लोग क्या कहेंगे. हाँ, गुप्ता जी के लड़के को देखो, वो तो बहुत अच्छा कर रहा है, उसके तो 90% आते हैं, और फलाना ढिकना की लड़की को देखो, वो तो बहुत अच्छा कर रही है. So this comparison and this feeling of log kya kahenge becomes an added layer of pressure for the child. It comes into all the comments. So how do we improve our attitude and relationship is finally becoming aware of these patterns and to really remember that you were also a child. आप कैसे थे जब आप adolescent थे, आप जब बच्चे थे, और चाहे आप वैसे हो कि ना हो, आपका बच्चा अलग है. What you need to do as a parent is simply to give unconditional love. जो expectations हैं वो एक conditional love हैं. It is coming with strings attached and no child wants to have a love which is coming with strings attached. No human being in fact. That is why so many adults go to spiritual people or turn to God because they want unconditional love. Or we have pets because pets give us unconditional love. But बच्चों के साथ pension plan, इसको पढ़ाओ लिखाओ हमारी old age में काम आएगा. That's not unconditional love. So you need to really become aware of that, just support the child and allow the child to follow his or her own path. That's the best way to really support and improve your relationship and be a happy parent and have a happy child. I hope that today's session was useful to you all and I look forward to having you in the next session. Namaste.